So we have some clean chicken, and these are the list of ingredients that I'm going to use on the chicken. I'm using turmeric, I'm using some fish and meat sauce. I do have some dark soy sauce in this also. I'm using paprika, slap your mama, adobo, and chicken season. I'm gonna say this, the adobo and the slap your mama, it's salty, so just use a little bit on your food. All right, let's get into this video. I'm gonna use some green season also, right? So we are going with the green season. Then I'm going to use the adobo all-purpose seasoning. Remember, use a little salty, and then we're going with our slap your mama seasoning. I only use a little. I'm also using some paprika. This gives it a nice color. Or turmeric, don't use too much, but this has a lot of health benefits, so that's why I'm always using the turmeric. And I'm also going in with some chicken season. This is the Maggi chicken season, and I'm using some fish and meat sauce. All right, and then we just have to go in and combine those ingredients.